I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a PGP public key. PGP, or Pretty Good Privacy, uses a pair of cryptographic keys, a public key and a private key. Your public key is like an open lock, allowing anyone to encrypt messages for you or verify your digital signatures. It's designed to be shared widely, ensuring secure communication. To begin, open your terminal and type GPG full generate key. This command starts an interactive process. You'll typically choose RSA and RSA for the key type, and a robust key size of 4096 bits for strong security. You can also decide if your key should expire after a certain period or remain valid indefinitely. Next, you will define your user ID. This includes your real name and email address, which helps others identify your key. You can also add an optional comment. Most importantly, you must create a strong, memorable passphrase. This passphrase encrypts your private key, acting as a crucial layer of security against unauthorized access. Once your key pair is generated, you'll need to export your public key to share it. Use the command gpg-armor export your key ID to create an ASCII armored file, typically ending in ASC. This text-based format is easy to share via email, upload to your website, or distribute through public key servers, allowing others to use it for secure communication with you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.